Close your eyes for a second. Imagine you're a bird. You're flying high above the clouds. The wind is under your wings. The whole world is below you. Now, imagine you fall asleep. What happens next? Do you keep flying, but in your dreams? That question sounds simple, but the answer? It changed everything scientists believed about animal minds. Let me tell you the story. It starts in a small lab in Chicago. The year was 2000. A scientist named Daniel Margoliouth was studying zebra finches. These are tiny little birds. Beautiful. They sing these complex songs to attract a mate. And Daniel noticed something strange. During the day, when the birds practiced their songs, certain brain cells would fire in a specific pattern, like a little melody inside their heads. But here's where it gets weird. At night, when the birds fell asleep, those exact same brain cells fired again. Same pattern, same rhythm, same song. The birds were replaying their songs in their sleep. They were literally practicing in their dreams. Think about that for a moment. A tiny bird, eyes closed, body still, perched on a branch in the dark. And inside its mind, it's singing, it's performing, it's getting better, while dreaming. That was the first real clue. Animals don't just sleep, they dream. And their dreams? They might actually mean something. Now, you might be thinking, okay, birds dream about singing, but do they dream about flying? And this is where it gets really interesting. Scientists started looking at the brains of sleeping birds more carefully. They found activity in areas connected to movement, to navigation, to flight. The same parts of the brain that light up when a bird soars through the sky were lighting up during sleep. Not as strongly, but enough to notice. So yes, there's a real chance that birds dream of flying. Picture a sparrow asleep on a wire. It's nighttime. The city is quiet. But inside that sparrow's tiny head, maybe it's gliding over an open field. Maybe it's racing through a forest. Maybe it's feeling the warm air lift it higher and higher, above the trees, above the mountains, until the whole earth looks like a painting below. And it doesn't even know it's dreaming. Now let's go bigger. Let's talk about dogs. You've probably seen a dog sleeping, right? Their legs start twitching. They make little sounds. Sometimes they even bark in their sleep. What's going on? Scientists at MIT studied the brains of sleeping rats, which are similar to dogs in how they dream. And they found something amazing. The rats were dreaming about mazes they had run through during the day.
The brain patterns matched so closely that researchers could tell exactly where in the maze the rat was dreaming about.
So when your dog's legs are moving in their sleep, they're probably running, chasing a ball, playing in the park, maybe chasing a squirrel they almost caught that afternoon. They're reliving their favorite moments in their dreams. And it's not just birds and dogs. Cats dream too. A scientist in the 1960s named Michel Jouvet did an experiment with cats. He disabled the part of the brain that keeps the body still during sleep. And when those cats fell asleep, they stood up. They walked around. They pounced on invisible things. They were acting out their dreams. Cats were dreaming about hunting, stalking, catching prey. Even in a safe, warm house, their wild instincts were alive inside their dreams. Now here's a thought that might keep you up tonight. What about whales? Dolphins? They sleep with only half their brain at a time. One eye open, one eye closed. They have to keep swimming or they'll drown. So does the sleeping half of their brain dream? Is a dolphin swimming through the ocean right now, half awake and half in a dream world? Nobody knows for sure, but some scientists believe it's possible. A dolphin could be gliding through deep blue water and at the same time dreaming of something completely different. Maybe a memory, maybe a sound, maybe another dolphin it hasn't seen in years. That's the thing about animal dreams. We can measure brain waves, we can watch behavior, but we can never truly step inside their minds. We can never see what they see. We can only wonder. And honestly, that's what makes it so beautiful. Because when you look at a bird sleeping in a tree tonight, you'll know something most people don't. That little bird might be on the greatest flight of its life. Not out in the sky, but deep inside its own imagination. Scientists have proven that animals enter REM sleep, the same stage where humans have their most vivid dreams. Birds do it, dogs do it, cats, rats, even octopuses do it. An octopus changes colors while it sleeps. Its skin shifts from white to dark to spotted, as if it's dreaming of camouflage, of hiding, of hunting on the ocean floor. The dream world isn't just for us. It belongs to every creature that closes its eyes. And maybe that's the most beautiful discovery of all. We share this planet with billions of dreamers. Every night, all across the world, animals are dreaming. A bird on a wire, a dog by the fireplace, a whale in the deep ocean, a cat on a windowsill. All of them traveling somewhere we cannot follow. So the next time you see an animal sleeping peacefully, smile.
Because now you know.
They're not just resting, they're flying, they're running, they're living a life we'll never see. And maybe, just maybe, they're dreaming of us too. Now I want to hear from you. What do you think animals dream about? Tell me in the comments. And if this story made you see sleeping animals a little differently, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.